Welcome to the second lesson, Hierarchy of Restrictions. There are 4 levels of advertising access restrictions, or let me say advertising access. So for you to run ads, you must have access to these 4 levels. We have business page, we have ad account, we have business manager, and then the advertiser profile. So let me just make it a bit more graphic. So we have the business page, which is represented by this shape here. And we have the advertiser profile. And then we have the business manager, which is this shape here. And then we have the ad account. So I've tried to use this shape, this, let me say, I've tried to plot this like a key so you can actually understand how it works. So you have the advertiser profile, which is this orange circle here. And then we have the business manager, which is this white, rounded edges rectangle here. And then you have the ad accounts, which are these black triangles. And you have the business page. Just somewhere in the advertiser profile, I put it here because it could be under the business manager as well. Okay, so, but it could also be under the advertiser profile. It means the person just has access to that particular page, either as an admin or an advertiser. So you have a Facebook profile can exist in more than one business manager. And a business manager can have multiple ad managers. It could also have multiple pages, right? But I just want you to keep this picture in mind. Now, from this picture, you can see that the advertiser's, the advertising profile is the most important, because without the advertising profile, you cannot access the business managers, you can access the ad account, and you can access the business page. So your profile is the overarching umbrella that determines if you can run ads on Facebook or not. So it is the most important level of access. That's the most important level of access for advertising. And you must fight to protect it. You must do everything within your power to ensure that you have access to your advertising, your personal ad account, right? Your advertiser account. Okay. And then the next is your business manager. We'll talk more about that, because your business manager sort of gathers pixel data, custom audiences, lookalike audiences. There's a lot of rich data that you've trained the Facebook algorithm to learn from your months and years of running ads and spending a lot of money on paid advertising. That has kind of seasoned your pixel. So you want to protect that data by protecting your business manager. But most importantly, your advertiser's profile is what you need to run ads on any other stage. You could easily get another business manager. It's easier than getting in your Facebook account in your advertising profile. It's a lot easier to do that. You could easily get in your ad account and just add yourself as an admin, and run ads there, but it's a bit difficult to create that advertiser profile. Okay, so I want to quickly give you the reason for each type of ban, right? Because the first step to overcoming bans is to understand the reason for the different types of bans. So one of the key mistakes I see advertisers make is to quickly try to get back with another account. They just jump back and they want to start running ads with another account without first understanding the underlying issue behind that specific ban. So they just don't understand why they were banned, and they just want to jump back, start advertising again. Now, I get the point. Most advertisers already know. They feel, what I'm advertising, I'm going to get banned. So it's a game of numbers. I just keep getting more ad accounts. I buy 3. They have these places, the stores where they look for ad accounts and they buy. I don't know if they still work, but I've heard about it. So they just want to jump back, get a new account, maybe from a friend, a family, or maybe buy from someone, and just start advertising without understanding the underlying issue, or understanding how to actually run ads that are compliant on the Facebook platform. and that is the leads to most of their failures, right? So Facebook sometimes is clear with the reason for the ban, but more times than not, the reasons are quite vague. So if the reason is clear, you can easily handle it and just get your account back, right? Or just get back to advertising with another account and make sure you handle that particular aspect so you don't get banned again, right? But if the reason is not clear, then you need to understand certain things, and that's what I'm going to show you in this lesson. I want to uncover the possible reasons behind each ban type, right? When Facebook doesn't give a specific reason for the ban, they could just say you violated some of our policies, right? Or some of our policies, and you've set up ads in the last so days that have violated so and so policies, so your account is locked, your account is banned, your ad account is disabled, whatever term they give you. I'm going to show you how to think of each of them, right? So let's go. So here are the top reasons why either your advertising profile, your business page, your ad account, your business manager, why they could get banned. So the first one is posts that violate community standards. So Facebook and Instagram, they have community standards, and maybe you want to go through and check that out. So if you make a lot of posts that violate community standards for both platforms, then your page, your Facebook page, could get banned. So if you woke up one day, just check through your page and you saw that your page does not have access to advertise, you have violated some community standards over a period of time. And so that's the resulting factor for that. Of course, if a page gets disabled, it's a bit easier. At least you could create a new page and you run your ads again. Of course, you might lose a lot of validation, like likes and followers and all that. Your previous page might have been optimized, a lot of posts, a healthy page, right, that people could trust when they see an ad. But it's still a bit easy. Just create a new page and start again. This time around, try to go through the community standards and avoid violating them rather. Now, the second reason is when a lot of ads get rejected at once or within a short time frame. So if a lot of your ads get rejected at once or within a short time frame, Facebook is going to jump in and disable your ad account. That's it. Jump in and disable your ad account. No wasting of time. So the way we do this as experienced advertisers is when we are creating our ads, maybe we want to have 10 or 20 different ad sets and multiple ads in those ad sets, maybe 3 ads each. So what we do is that we create one ad set with 3 ads each and we submit it for review. Then we duplicate the ad sets that we've created, maybe depending on the number of ad sets we need. It could be 5, could be 10, could be 20 times. And then, we change the targeting in the ad set level, right? For each of those ad sets, we change the targeting, right? And then we don't publish it. We leave it as draft, okay? Now, when the first 3 ads get approved, then we go ahead and submit our ads. We go ahead and publish the remaining 20 because if one gets approved, okay, then the other 19 should be approved. Okay, that's 19 ad sets times 3 ads each. So the other, but if you just publish 20 ad sets with 3 ads each, I think that should be 60 ads, and maybe 40 of those ads get rejected. Facebook is going to disable your ad account. It's going to ban your ad account, right? Or within a short frame of time, a lot of your ads, you've been a repeat violator to the Facebook policy, your ads are not compliant, then you're also going to get banned. You might say, oh, well, I'm a new advertiser. It doesn't matter. Facebook is still going to ban you. All right. Now, if maybe you're saying you don't understand what I just explained about the ad set level and all, that means maybe you are quite a new advertiser. You want to go through the targeting hack course to understand how to do targeting in the ad set level. It will be somewhere around your dashboard. It's not free, so if you've not subscribed to the course, then you would need to subscribe to it, right, by making a small payment, and then it to be available for you to watch. Okay, so the next reason is multiple ad accounts violating policies within the same time frame. So if you have multiple ad accounts that violate policies within the same time frame, right, Facebook is going to jump in and ban your business manager. Okay, so you have more than one ad account, and then you just keep violating maybe 2 different ad accounts in that business manager and violating policies, and Facebook is going to jump in and ban your business manager. There are other reasons why your business manager could get disabled, but this is one of the primary ones that I have seen. There are other ones like perhaps you violated, you're trying to circumvent the system. Maybe you were banned and you're just trying to get a new business manager. Could get disabled if they feel it is somehow linked with your previous business manager that got banned. Okay, the next is billing errors. So Facebook is not able to charge you, or maybe they're charging you, but they think you're using a fraudulent card or something. Then your ad account is going to get disabled as well. Your business manager will get disabled as well. Or Facebook, you've run ads on Facebook and they are unable to charge you. You're unable to pay for your ads. Even if your reasons are genuine, oh, my cards are not working, or my bank is not allowing the payment, whatever your reasons, whatever valid reasons you think you have for holding Facebook's money, it's not going to be sufficient. It's not going to save you. Facebook is going to disable your account until you make that payment. Typically, I think they're going to give you a notice that your account has been disabled because you are owing, and once you pay up, your account is going to become active once again, right? Then we have suspicious activity, like I explained. If they feel, oh, this person is using a fraudulent card, or there was a login from a system that we didn't recognize or something, and Facebook is just going to jump in and disable that business manager. Of course, these 2 issues are very easy to resolve if that has happened to you. Then lastly, we have repeat violation of policies on different ad managers and business managers. So maybe as your personal Facebook profile, you have different admins of different ad managers and different business managers, and they've noticed that it's you that's violating the policies in these different ad managers and business managers, and they're just going to jump in and say, okay, this is bad behavior, this person is a risk to our platform, and they are going to restrict your advertising access. So you might see the notice, advertising access restricted. That's because you have violated several policies on maybe different business managers and ad accounts. There could be other reasons for that, but that is the major reason. If they feel you are a risk to their platform, then you are going to be hit with a ban. Okay, so that's the end of this lesson. In the next lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to understand Facebook ads policies, the ones that are really tricky, and how to get a deep understanding of them so that you don't violate them, and so you could stay compliant, right, regardless of what you are advertising. See you in the next lesson right now.